Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am mrbobvin or Malika, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this top right here. And I clipped the little clippy things like right under here, so it gives it like that cute look right here. But I really didn't even talk a lot in this video, like at all. I really just went right into it because I really didn't want to speak. So I don't even think I spoke once in this video now that I'm thinking about it. So yeah, this is just a quick little crochet with me showing you guys how I created this top from start to finish as always, and this is the finished product. Let me show you guys the outfit. So I have like these cargo-ish pants on. I might wear it with like white forces, or I might get my Vans. I don't know, I'll see. But that's how this looks. That's how this looks. Anyway, I went for like a grungy type of look, which is why I have the choker and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's this outfit and I love it. I wanted this exact look. I kind of wanted my neckline higher, but I didn't want to do a collar part because this was already so tight to get into. So I was like, I'm not even going to mess with that because I don't have time to not fit into this top. But honestly, that's really all I have to say. It's just really a quick video of me showing you guys how I created this top. Nothing special, nothing crazy, just super simple video. I think it's a time lapse like the entire time. So yeah, enjoy. Okay guys, I finished my top. Looks like this. Ta-da! And I bought a chain. I bought chains and I'm going to like attach it to the shirt. So I have a butterfly chain. So I'm going to attach it to the shirt. So it's gonna look kind of like something like this when I'm finished with it, just to give it like a nice little grungy look. And yeah, I have a matching hat. The reds don't quite match, but it's red, so that's what matters. So I have the hat that I did in the beginning, the top, and then the chain that I'm gonna match with it. And then I'm gonna take pictures later so you guys can see the whole thing put together, and then that'll be it for the video, like always. So let's get it. Oh, and I painted my nails black, so let's get it. Okay guys, so you guys already know how this top looks, but I don't even know like why in the previous clip, like sometimes I'm always like, I'll put it on for you guys to see, and then I end up showing you guys in the beginning anyway. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh yeah, I actually decided not to put, I just changed my hairstyle like that fast, but I actually decided not to put the hat on because it's literally two different colors. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like drastically different, and I don't want like that much of a difference in the red. So I'm just going to take a picture on its own maybe sometime, but yeah.